Conflict transformation and peace building in Southeast Asia and neighboring countries Haiba HIRAMDA NUMIT NINI gi OIBA conference ama KHONGNANGTHABA University gi auditorium hall da PANGTHOKKHRE IQAC amadi Center for Southeast Asian Studies KHONGNANGTHABA University da khosam maduna Department of Political Science and Human Rights Indira Gandhi National Tribal University Amarkantak Madhya Pradesh amadi Kamakhya Pemton College Yangthanga punna collaboration tawduna Pangthokpa conference aduda Thailand, Myanmar amadi Manipur dagi expert singna technical session ani khaidoktuna conference adu pangthokani hairi. Conference hodokpagi thoram aduda Professor Hanjabam Shukdeva Sharma, Director College Development Council Manipur University, Dr. Wahengbam Nimai Singh, Principal Kamakhya Pemton College Hiyangthang Imphal, Professor Konsam Ibo Singh, Professor Retired Department of Political Science Manipur University, Professor N. Ibotombi Singh, Controller of Examination, KHONGNANGTHABA University, Amadi Professor N. Surjit Kumar, Head of Department of Political Science and Human Rights, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Amarkantak, Madhya Pradesh na Athoiba Mithunglen Singh oina sarugyaki.
The peace building basically refers to a kind of creation of social, political, cultural, institutional foundations for sustainable peace. So here sustainable peace is one of the important elements for so-called peace building. So in this context, we can say that peace building includes the conditions or ideas like the dialogue, reconciliations, justice, rehabilitations, human rights, protection, peace, education, and livelihood restoration, and lastly, the sustainable peace, which I have already mentioned above. So in this context, KHONGNANGTHABA University and Indira Gandhi National Tribal University and Kamakhya College proposed to organize 2-day international conference so that at least the kind of conflict transformation and the kind of peace building which are existing there in Southeast Asian nations. And
experience conflict here also, but the cause of conflict resolution roles. The state has its own role and the university has its own role. And the role played by universities is more effective than the role played by the government. Because when we talk of university being a neutral body, you can engage with many of the other sides or the stakeholders involved in the conflict. So what are the things that they are presently doing now in resolving these things? First thing is they actively involved in curriculum development. So when Professor Surjit talks about the course that we have in India and that we have in other countries, in India we have very few courses on conflict resolution or peace building. And